Hey, it's Aaron of Square Thunder. This is episode number 6 of Fast Logo Friday, where every week I design a logo based on a random weird word. Our word today is verdure, V-E-R-D-U-R-E. It comes from the same word as the French word for the color green. It means the greenness of growing vegetation. It also can mean a flourishing condition of health and vigor. Now, today's the first day of spring, so we're all hoping for some verdure outdoors, but we're also hoping for some verdure in the world around us as we continue to work through these issues with coronavirus and all of the things associated with that. I don't want to dwell too much on that, but we are going to focus on the word verdure and some of the implications associated with that word, and we're going to design a logo for a green tea company. We're going to target it towards a youthful demographic. We're going to try to create something that's fun and exciting. Like always, we're going to start with some sketching, and then we're going to bring one of those concepts into Illustrator and refine it a little bit further. And then I'll show the logo and some mock-ups at the end of the process, just so we can see it in its natural habitat in a kind of a final context. I'm not going to talk through this episode very much. I'm just going to let the design process roll so you can see what happens. Of course, I'll speed it up so you don't have to sit through every decision that I make along the way. But I'm not going to do a big voiceover on this one. I'm just going to speed this process along for you. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy this one. This is a fun one to make. Thanks for watching Fast Logo Friday with Square Thunder. If you liked the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel. Make a comment below if you have some feedback. If you have a suggestion for a weird word that I might use in a future episode, that'd be awesome if you suggest that down below. I'd love to interact with you in the comments below, so make sure you do that. It's great to be in touch with you. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next week right here on Fast Logo Friday. Stay awesome.